Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can log out of an account on Gmail, like only log out one account, like Gmail account. And to do that, you are going to open the Gmail application. You are going to click on your profile picture on the very top on the right corner over here. Then you are going to click manage accounts on this device, and it is super simple. You are just going to press remove from this device like that. This account and any unsaved data will be removed from Gmail and other Google apps on this device. So you are just going to press remove, and basically that account will be logged out of Gmail on your device. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!